Feel like something in your life is broken beyond repair? Like it's too late for God to fix what's been damaged? Our verse of the day is Joel chapter 2, verse 25. I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. God is a master at restoration. What looks destroyed to you looks like a simple project to him. He can restore the years the enemy stole, repair what seems broken beyond fixing, and give you beauty for ashes. Nothing is too far gone for his restoring power. Your broken story can become your beautiful testimony. Amen. Thank you so much for being here, listening to the verse of the day being read aloud. If you or someone you love are in need of prayer, please put prayer in the comment section and I'll add your name to my prayer journal. If this message was a blessing to you, please share it, repost it, send it to a friend, send it to everyone you can think of, because you don't know how this message might be a blessing to them and may be able to change their lives. Please hit the like button, subscribe. That's how you show the channel support and help us grow so that we can help more people with these beautiful daily devotionals and verses of the day. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Remember, it's our planet, our responsibility. Bye now.